just found this millipede from inside the room. I think long time ago it have been died here. It's changed discolor also, and it totally stone, no any soft place in the body. All the body have stone. It's mean it long time ago it have been died. You also can see it some legs are now start to decomposing. Lot of legs are gone, they are decomposing. Some colors also have changed now, like that turned to black color up on the body. It really, I think, long time have that. That's all. Going to end my video. Then thank you for all you watching, my friends. Thanks. Bye.